Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know the documents that are required to apply for the Bank of Singapore's credit card. If you want to go ahead and apply for the Bank of Singapore and you do not know the documents what sort of documents are required, so this video is for you. Now first thing, I'm going to go ahead and type in that, and you could see that to apply for the credit card of Bank of Singapore, you'll typically need to provide the following documents. First thing, you need to provide a valid passport with at least 6-month validity and proof of address such as utility or telecommunication bill dated within 3 months of the application. Next, you need a proof of employment such as payslip in the SGD from the last 3 months. And if you are declaring tax residency outside of Singapore or your home country, you need a proof of tax residency as well. So you could go and read out this information. So these are the documents that are required to apply for the Bank of Singapore's credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.